Hello you guys, Clockwork Slayer here. Today we will be learning the Venus Trap. It is a really cool card slate that took me a while to learn. There has been some tutorials up on YouTube, but none of them really explain how to go over them well. But I'll be showing you how to do all three slates. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so here's how the switch looks. You take the card, and you set it in the center of the deck. It goes back to the top. Or you can take the card, you can set it right there, and it switches. You guys ready to learn how it's done? Alright, here we go. You guys ready to learn the switch? Here's how it works. You take the card, and under cover of this card, here's what's happening. If you guys know the ego change, this will be easy for you. But if you don't, this is actually called the Venus Trap for this trick. So we're going to be using that term a lot. What's happening is you have the card in dealer's grip, which is your pointer finger here, your thumb here, riding along the side, and the rest of your fingers on top. What's happening is you're pulling down with your pinky and ring finger, is pivoting off your middle finger, and your pointer finger is holding it in place. And you're doing that under cover of the card. And here's the tricky part, because when you're covering the card, you don't want to cover it straight up, otherwise they see that for just a split second. So what you want to do is you want to have the card at an angle for just a little while. So you have it on an angle, and you do the trick, or the slate. And that doesn't look too natural, so you want to put it up as fast as you can. Or as soon as you can, sorry. And you notice how I'm holding the card. Pointer finger and thumb, and your middle finger is behind. So you do the move, and you let go of your thumb. You tilt the card horizontally, and you square it up with the card that's straight up, and you just set it on top. That was the switch. Alright guys, ready to learn the control? Alright, here we go. Alright, so here's how the control looks. Say stop. Stop. Alright, whoops, got your card. Keep it locked in your head. Don't forget it. Alright, your card rise. Stop. Ta-da! You guys ready to learn how it's done? Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so how the control is done. You flip down the side of the pack, you take half the cards and you flip it into your hand like that. And you take those cards and flip them over with your other hand. You show your hand like that, you show your card like that, and you pull it back on top. You take these cards and flip them over like that, and you do the Venus Trap, which is that. So the Venus Trap is being covered by your hand and the cards. And then you let it fall onto that card and flip it all over. So it's on top now. One more time. Got your card. Just like that. And it's on top. That was the control. You guys ready to learn the vanish? Let's get into it. Alright, so how the vanish looks. Take a card such as the 10 of clubs, and all I do is set it on top of the deck. We give it a little rub, and it vanishes. That was the vanish. You guys ready to learn it? Here's how it works. Alright, so how it works. The card actually ends up being second from the top. How it works is you're holding the card that you want to make vanish face up between your thumb, your pointer, your ring, and your middle finger. You're holding it just like this if you point your finger on the top left hand corner and your thumb on the bottom left hand corner and the rest of the fingers on top. And you're covering the Venus trap with your hand and the card. So it looks like that. And what's happening is you're setting the card on top, just like that, but they can't see that. So then you can just go like that and make the card vanish. And that was the vanish. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.